안녕하세요. Hello kid friends. I hope you are all doing well. This week I made a special dinner, Korean style chicken cutlet. It turned out so delicious and I really recommend you give it a try too. Don't miss the bonus cabbage salad recipe at the end. Perfect with the chicken cutlet. Let's get started. Let's start by making a sauce to go with the chicken. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half tablespoon of gochujang, a pinch of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Pour the sauce into a pan and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes over medium-high heat. You can pour this sauce over the chicken later. Preparing the chicken. Take 1 pound of chicken thigh meat, rinse it and pat it dry. Trim off extra fat if needed. Lightly pound the different parts to make them even so they cook well. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, a few pinches of salt, and a bit of pepper, and mix well. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Coating the chicken. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt. Mix well. Prepare flour in 1 bowl and breadcrumbs in another. Coat the chicken evenly with the flour. Dip it in the egg wash. If you have a parsley, mix it a bit into breadcrumbs for extra flavor. And then press it firmly into the breadcrumbs. Make sure the chicken is well coated. Frying. Add 1 cup of oil to a pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, reduce the heat to medium and carefully place the prepared chicken pieces into the pan. Fry until golden brown on one side. Then flip and fry until both sides are crispy and golden brown. Remove the chicken from the pan and drain any excess oil. Let's make a delicious and healthy cabbage salad that goes perfectly with the chicken cutlet. Finely slice the washed cabbage. And thinly slice a bit of onion. To add color and flavor, slice some carrot. And slice 1 to 2 green onions thinly. Once the vegetables are ready, let's prepare the salad dressing. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix well. Pour this sauce. Toss this dressing with the sliced vegetables. It's a refreshing side to enjoy with your chicken cutlet. Finally, drizzle the prepared sauce over the fried chicken and enjoy. Savory and crispy chicken cutlet is done. How was today's recipe? It's a great one to try when you are in the mood for something special. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.